Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to add SEO descriptions in Squarespace 7.1 so your website actually shows up in search results. Let's get right to it. First, let's set up your main site description. This is what people see when your homepage pops up on Google. Open your main dashboard menu and go to Settings, then click on SEO Appearance. You can sometimes find this under the Marketing tab as well, depending on your exact version. Scroll down to the SEO site description field. Here you want to write a short keyword-rich paragraph under 300 characters explaining exactly what your business does. Next, you need to add unique descriptions for every individual page. This is super important because search engines index your entire site, not just the homepage. Go back to your main menu and click on Pages. Hover over any page title and click the gear icon to open the page settings. Click on the SEO tab in that menu. You will see a box specifically for your SEO description. Write a custom relevant summary for that specific page, making sure to naturally include keywords that people might search for to find that content. Hit save in the top corner of your screen and then repeat this quick process for the rest of your main pages. And that's it. Your website is officially optimized for search engines. If this quick guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.